Hey again, welcome back to DanishTube. I am back. Well, actually I didn't go anywhere. I'm still here with the same sunburned face from when I made that video about ligger and lægger. And this one is about SIDDER and SÆTTER. We have exactly the same rule. So why is my face so white? When to use one or the other. SIDDER is no movement, SÆTTER is movement. So same thing as in the last video, and if you didn't see it, check it out here. Jeg sidder I sofaen, og det gør jeg faktisk. Jeg sætter mig I sofaen. Sådan. Remember the thing about the egg? Throw the egg. And that's the one that has the movement. Lægger, sidder, sætter. Boom, that was easy. If you want to practice, do some more, learn, play some games, practice with some tasks, go over to DanishTube.com/word choice and become a DanishTube Plus subscriber, where you can do exactly that. Tak fordi du så med. Vi ses i den næste video.